Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will replace the fans in the Asus G712L laptop. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some compressed air for cleaning. First, power down your laptop and unplug it from any electrical source. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. There are usually about 10 screws. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove them and set them aside in a safe place, ensuring you remember which screws go where. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Make sure to work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. As you lift the cover, be cautious of any cables that might still be connected inside. With the back cover removed, take a moment to observe the internal layout. You will notice the fans located near the CPU and GPU. These are the components we will be replacing. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to use the compressed air to clean out any dust that has accumulated around the fans and heatsinks. This will enhance airflow and improve cooling efficiency. Next, locate the screws securing the fans in place. Typically, there are 4 screws for each fan. Carefully unscrew them using your Phillips head screwdriver. As you remove each screw, keep them organized to streamline reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the fan cables from the motherboard. This step is crucial. Make sure to handle the cables with care to avoid any damage. Now, you can lift out the old fans. Take a moment to inspect the new fans before installation. Ensure they are the same model and size as the original ones. If you don't have the tools or are unsure about this process, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also take advantage of our pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. To install the new fans, align them with the mounting points and reconnect the cables to the motherboard. It's essential to ensure that the connections are secure. Once the fans are in place, reinsert the screws to secure them. Don't rush this step, double-check that each screw is tightened appropriately without over-tightening. After the fans are secured, take another round of compressed air to clean any leftover dust from the area. This is a good practice to ensure optimal airflow and cooling. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws, ensuring they are tight. Before powering on your laptop, double-check that everything is connected correctly and that there are no loose screws or components. If you prefer to have a quote before repair or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our services. Now that everything is in place, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Listen for the new fans operating smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember our service includes no calls, no travel, and we're always here to help with any diagnostics you might need. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the fans in your Asus G712L laptop, enhancing its cooling and performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.